Welcome to our WinSock WSK140N03 electronic components. This is a single N-channel, enhanced FET, packaged as a convenient TO-263. It has a drain source voltage of 30V and a drain current of up to 140A. Strong adaptability and stable performance. This component has a wide operating temperature range. It can be handled freely from -50 to 150, and it is installed by patch. Very suitable for outdoor screen, LED controller, switching power supply, and medical equipment and other fields. Simultaneously, it can also be used as a AOB140-4L, AOB214-L, AOB2144L, STB200NF03 Experian BUK661R830C. Alternatives to models such as POTENS PDH3960. If you are interested in this, please feel free to write to us for more detailed information.